I would not be able to take that charge off of you.
Just shut up. Just shut up. You must be really proud of yourself sitting there behind a little phone, getting paid your little couple dollars, being a servant.
Mama, do you want to talk about it?
Talk about what?
Whatever it is that you're going through that has you talking to me like this. Because you got to be going through something. Because I'm literally just telling you what I can and can't do, and you're here going crazy, you're acting up. Why don't you just tell me what's really going on in your life? I'm willing to sit here and listen to you, because there's no way that you're just this mad at me. You don't know me. I haven't done anything to you. You're the one who messed up your account, and I'm just telling you what I can and can't do, and you're here like volviéndote loca. So like, just tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on in your life that's causing you to project your feelings on a complete stranger. Go ahead. I'm willing to listen. My husband cheated on me and overdrew my account because he took her to dinner. I'm pissed off. And I'd be pissed off too, girl. I get it. I get it. And I'm so sorry that you're going through that. Your feelings are absolutely valid. But you need to take that anger that you were taking out on me. You need to go take it out on him. He's the one that pissed you off. You got to direct that anger toward the person that deserves the anger, not the person who's trying to help you answer your questions that you're asking me. You understand what I'm saying? So what you want me to do? You want me to cancel his account? I got you. You want me to transfer all his money to your account? I got your back. No, I'm kidding. That's illegal. But like, go direct that anger towards him. All right? Because otherwise, this is not going to work. I'm not going to help you. But if you relax, you calm down, you tell me what's up, you know, let's look at your account, see what we could do. I'll help you. But if you're going to be yelling and being nasty, then you're not going to get the help that you need. I hope that makes sense.